Hello dear students, welcome to the video today. Children, we have been talking about the poverty scenario in India. Last class, we discussed about two situations. Remember? Yes, dear students, you might be remembering. We discussed about Ram Charan and we discussed about Lakha Singh. वन रूरल केस एंड वन अर्बन केस. एक बंदा जो शहर में रहता है, एक बंदा जो गांव में रहता है, दोनों ही गरीब हैं. व्हाट इज देयर पॉवर्टी सिचुएशंस, वी ट्राई टू डिस्कस दैट. एंड आफ्टर दैट some of the inferences that was there, some of the conclusions that we came to understand is ये गरीब क्यों हैं. Okay, why are they poor? Unemployment is there, helplessness is there, big family, lack of proper income, lack of education, lack of medical facilities. Lot of things are there that has kept them into the poverty category. How do we decide कौन गरीब है कौन अमीर है, ये हम कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं? Poverty estimates are there. Table 3.1 we have to see कि there is decline in poverty ratio. इंडिया में अभी थोड़ा सा poverty कम हो गया है. Poverty has been declining. अभी we will be assessing the table 3.1. Just see. What we need to understand is we need to do the assessment of the poverty scenario, proportion of people who are below poverty line. 22% it has come down in 2011-12 and people who are below poverty line और भी कम हो जाएंगे, less than 20% next few years में. जितनी जल्दी पॉवर्टी रेशियो पे हम कंप्लीटली कंट्रोल करेंगे उतना ही द कंट्री विल प्रोग्रेस. इट वुड बी गुड, इट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर एवरीवन, फॉर द सोसाइटी, फॉर द इंडिविजुअल एंड फॉर द कंट्री एज अ होल. सो वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दिस पॉवर्टी सिनेरियो. 20% people who are below poverty line may come down to less than 20% in the next few years. लेकिन percentage of people living under poverty declined earlier 2 decades में 73, 92, 93. Poverty ratio, the poverty rate has declined and poor has declined from 407 million to 270 million. Children, these data are extremely important. Please make a note of these data. Note it down somewhere when you are preparing your notebooks. During those notebooks you need to mention about these data ki how the people who are under poverty, who are below poverty line, how they have come down from 407 million to 270 million 2011-12 में. तो एवरेज एनुअल डिक्लाइन मतलब डिक्लाइन पॉवर्टी रेशियो को किसी न किसी भी तरह से we need to control, and this poverty ratio needs to come down, decline of 2.2 percentage points during 2004-5 to 2011-12. And until and unless this poverty ratio declines, we cannot control the development situation in the country. Now just see, estimates are there in poverty in India. We are following the Tendulkar methodology. 1993-94 में rural areas में the poverty ratio was 50%. Urban areas में poverty level was 32%. So total we have 45% of poverty ratio. Rural and urban and total. No, now children please understand, this is not an addition. This is not an addition. यहाँ पे if you will be noticing, you will find अरे 50 plus 32, 50, 60, 70, 82% होना चाहिए. नहीं, ये बता रहे हैं this is an average calculation of the people who are under poverty, who are below the poverty line. Oh God. So we are talking about this poverty scenario. Now children, please understand the different years that are there. we are starting to measure the poverty levels of the people from 1993-94 to 2011 and 12. Rural areas, urban areas and total. Okay, 2004-5 में देखो 50 से we have come to 26. This is very encouraging. बहुत अच्छा है. गरीबों की संख्या अब हमने बहुत कम कर दी है. We are definitely day by day trying to control the poverty levels of the people. कहाँ 50, कहाँ we have 32 अर्बन में थे और अभी अर्बन एरियाज में तो 14% ही रह गया है पॉवर्टी रेशियो. लेकिन टोटल ऑल ओवर द कंट्री द पॉवर्टी रेशियो इज 22% ऑफ पीपल आर अंडर द पॉवर्टी लाइन. टोटल में आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज डू नॉट डू द टोटल. दिस टोटल कम्स टू द total people in the rural in the country. रूरल एरियाज एंड अर्बन एरियाज को हमको टोटल नहीं करना है. इट इज ओवरऑल ग्रेडिंग इन द कंट्री. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव द नंबर ऑफ पुअर हु आर देयर इन मिलियंस. रूरल एरिया में इट इज 329 मिलियन. अर्बन एरिया में इट इज 75 मिलियन. कंबाइंड व्हेन वी सी देन इट इज 404 मिलियन. अब यहाँ पे वी हैव डन अ टोटल. यहाँ पे here we have done a total that is in millions. 329 plus 75 comes to 404. Rural areas में we have the number of poor people 326 and urban areas में it has come to 81. Total it is 407. Then we have in the rural areas 278. And in the urban areas we have 76 million people. तो 75 से we have tried to control. फिर यहाँ पे 81 बढ़ गए थे 2004-5 में. In the urban areas the calculation is very dwindling. कभी ज़्यादा कभी कम. This is the way that we are trying to calculate the number of poor in millions in the urban areas and in the rural areas. Then we are seeing urban areas में 76 million. यहाँ पे we have 278. Then we have 17 people, number of poor people in millions. And then we are seeing 53 million people in 2011-12. So this is what we need to understand, that the number of people in millions. देखो percentage में we have not done a total. Percentage में the total percent all over the country is different. लेकिन when we are talking of the number of poor people in millions all over the country, then we are doing the totaling. So this is there. Now just see some of the questions that follow this table. The same kind of questions would be asked. That the poverty ratio have declined 1993-94 and 2004-5 में poverty ratio अगर डिक्लाइन हो रहा है, why did the number of poor remain at about 407 million? गरीबों की संख्या 407 मिलियन पे क्यों रही? This we need to understand. And dynamics poverty reduction के लिए क्या सेम है रूरल एंड अर्बन? रूरल एरियाज में the number of poor is extremely high. This is not acceptable, where the condition of the poor people is getting worse day by day. Okay, so we need to understand the way and method of the poverty reduction. Then we are trying to understand the vulnerable groups. Vulnerable, आसानी से जो गरीब ही रहते हैं, the people who are below poverty line. It is not same for all the social groups and all the economic categories in India. Proportion of people who are BPL, that is below poverty line, सारे social groups के लिए अलग है, economic categories के लिए it is different. Social groups जो कि most vulnerable है to poverty, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe households में they are the poverty are the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people. Similarly, when we understand the economic groups, when we try to get a touch of the economic groups which are very vulnerable to poverty, गरीबी रेखा को बार बार टच करते हैं. Most are the rural agricultural labor household. ठीक है, रूरल एरियाज में ये जो लेबर कैटेगरी के लोग हैं, दे आर द मोस्ट वल्नरेबल. अक्सर जो गरीब ही रह जाते हैं. जितनी भी इनकी कंडीशन इम्प्रूव, वॉट एवर एफर्ट्स आर टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट, they are unable to improve the condition of these poor people. Graph 3.1 we have, which is showing the percentage of poor people in all these groups, and the average of the people below poverty line, all the groups in India, just see, is 22. ज़्यादातर सारे ही ग्रुप्स का मिला के the average is 22. 43 out of 100 people are scheduled tribes. They are not able to meet their basic needs. Basic needs meet नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Similarly, 34% of casual workers are there urban areas में who are below poverty line. Okay, so 34% of casual farm labor farm is there rural areas में. 29% of scheduled caste are also poor people. डबल डिसएडवांटेज क्या हो रहा है? लैंडलेस कैजुअल वेज लेबर हाउस होल्ड का, सोशली डिसएडवांटेज सोशल ग्रुप का. जस्ट सी, डबली, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज बीइंग सेड हियर, दैट द डबल डिसएडवांटेज, दो तरीके का डिसएडवांटेज है ऑफ दीज पीपल बीइंग पुअर, इज दैट दे आर लेबर हाउस होल्ड, सोशली डिसएडवांटेज सोशल ग्रुप. And the other one that is there is they are from the lower caste. एक तो लेबरर का काम कर रहे हैं प्लस लोअर कास्ट से हैं, तो दो तरीके की मार पड़ रही है. That is why the people are facing the poverty scenario. Population highlights the seriousness of the problem. This is a big problem. Recent studies have shown that except for the scheduled tribe household, the tribal household that are there, all the three groups, that is scheduled caste, rural agricultural laborers, and urban casual labor, have seen a decline in poverty. 1990s में there was a decline. That is there. Recent researches that are there. Scheduled tribe households के बारे में, just see this. I'm so sorry I did not show you this. Just see this table. This is graph 3.1. When we see this graphical presentation, we are seeing the scheduled tribe at a very high level. Scheduled caste, सबसे ज़्यादा, the people who are vulnerable to the poverty are the scheduled tribes. Okay, 43%. Children, please try to understand. This is 100 persons from this category. 100 में से 43 जो हैं, they are poor. Scheduled tribe caste में 100 में से 29 are poor. And average Indian poverty ratio क्या है, इनकी गरीबी रेखा क्या है, that is 22. तो कैजुअल लेबर फार्म जो हैं, द लेबरर्स हु आर देयर, द लेबर फार्म हु आर देयर, रूरल एरियाज में जो रह रहे हैं, इट इज 34. गॉट इट? तो कैजुअल लेबर नॉन फार्म अर्बन आर 34 ओनली. Labor farm in the rural areas are also 34 out of every 100, and same is there for the non-farm urban. तो ये वर्ल्ड बैंक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से ये डेटा लिया गया है, इंडियाज पॉवर्टी प्रोफाइल. जस्ट चेक द डेटा. सच ऑथेंटिक डेटा हैज बीन टेकन फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड बैंक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कहाँ से ये डेटा उठा के लेके आते हैं टू प्रूव दी ऑथेंटिसिटी. एकदम ऑथेंटिक है, एकदम सही है, कहीं से भी इसमें कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है. देयर इज नो मिस्टेक इन दिस. गॉट इट? Now, we are trying to understand, we have to accept for the scheduled tribe. Recent studies क्या हुआ है कि scheduled tribe households are there, all the other three groups, scheduled caste, rural agricultural laborers, and urban casual laborer have seen a decline in poverty. Poverty में कमी आ रही है. It is not that it is stagnant. कितने गरीब हैं तो उतने ही हैं. No. Dear students, the scenario is changing, but it should change with a fast pace. पेस बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. ये जो बदलाव हो रहा है, इट्स हैपनिंग ऑन अ वेरी स्लो पेस. बहुत धीरे धीरे हो रहा है. देयर आर दी सोशल ग्रुप्स. देयर इज ऑल्सो इनइक्वालिटी ऑफ इनकम्स. इनकम्स में भी बहुत कम ज़्यादा हैं विद इन अ फैमिली. पुअर फैमिलीज में खास करके ऑल सफ़र. सारे ही लोग परेशान रहते हैं, लेकिन some people who are there, they are suffering more than others. बाकी लोगों से कुछ लोग ज़्यादा सफ़र करते हैं. And in some cases women are there, elderly people are there, female infants, जो घर की लड़कियां होती हैं या जो घर की औरतें होती हैं, उनको कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करने के लिए कहा जाता है, उनको खाना नहीं दिया जाता है. Other people are having the food. Now just see the story. This is explained with the help of a story. This is the story of Sivaraman. Sivaraman is staying in Karur town in Tamil Nadu, and handloom and powerloom fabrics are there. 100 families are there in the village. Village में around 100 families are there. Sivaraman is an Aryun Thatiyar. Aryun Thatiyar, who is a cobbler by caste. Now he is an agricultural laborer. Rupees 160 per day पे he is working, and 5 to 6 months in a year. एक साल में 5-6 months he is working, and at other times he doesn't have all jobs. He does odd jobs in the town. मतलब कि शहर में जाके odd jobs, मतलब which is not supposed to be done by him, but he is doing that. घर का खर्चा तो किसी तरह चलाना है. Shashikala is also working with him. And कभी भी she can rarely find work these days. बहुत कम ही ऐसा होता है कि उसको काम मिले. Even if she does, she is getting rupees 100 per day. Very less money. Rupees 100 per day if she is getting, it is very less money. Very difficult to carry on the life of the people in the village. There are 8 members in the family. पूरी फैमिली में 8 मेंबर्स हैं. Sivaraman has got 65-year-old widow mother is there. She is ill, and रोज के काम के लिए she needs help. Alone she cannot carry on her work. And imagine Sivaraman has got not only children, but he has got his unmarried sister is also there. He has to take care of the sister. And 4 children are there. सबसे छोटा वाला 1 साल का है, बड़ा वाला 16 years का है. तो 3 of them are girls, लड़कियां हैं. सबसे छोटे वाला जो है वो बेटा है. None of the girls, they are going to this school. And mother has lost interest in life. Mother wants to die. Imagine what a condition. Mother has lost interest in life, and she's waiting to die someday. She wants to die. Very pathetic situation. Sister is there, elder daughter is there, who is taking care of the household. Sivaraman is planning to send his son to school. Sivaraman, dekho, now also when he is thinking about sending the child to school, he is thinking about his son, not the daughter. Yes, that's the difference, my dear student. Shashikala finds her a burden. Shashikala जो है, she is also thinking कि she is a burden. लेकिन Sivaraman cannot find a good match for Shashikala because he doesn't have money. The family is facing so much of difficulty. Just see different kinds of problems that the family is facing. Sivaraman is managing to buy milk once in a while, लेकिन that milk is only for the son. Now you can see the gender inequality that we are practicing. Poverty दूसरी बात है. Poverty is another system altogether, but look at the gender bias also. Some of the poor families, when you see the people who are the earning members in the family, the condition of the old people in the family, all the children, boys and girls who are attending school. Now, when we are studying the society as a whole, पूरे समाज की हमने देखभाल कर ली. We have seen the situation in the whole society, Let us understand which state is more poor and which state is rich. There are interstate disparities. Poverty has another dimension, and poor people, it is not the same in every state. The state level poverty has witnessed secular decline. Okay, means please understand कि in the poverty which is there at state level, it is seeing a decline from the levels of early 70s. Success rate of reducing poverty varies from state to state. हर एक स्टेट का पॉवर्टी सिनेरियो जो है वो वैरी है. रिसेंटली क्या हुआ है, ऑल इंडिया हेड काउंट रेशियो वाज डन. ओके, हेड काउंट, एक एक इंसान की गिनती हुई है, जिसमें वी हैव फाउंड आउट दैट 21.9% पीपल 2011-12 में states like Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha, they are concentrating all the people who are facing poverty. सारे गरीब, ज़्यादातर गरीब जो हैं वो इसी स्टेट में मिल रहे हैं. And graph 3.2 we have, the graph is showing बिहार एंड उड़ीसा आर द टू पुअरेस्ट स्टेट. सबसे गरीब स्टेट है बिहार एंड उड़ीसा, जिसमें पॉवर्टी रेशियो इज 33.7 एंड 32.6% रेस्पेक्टिवली. गॉट इट. एंड रूरल पॉवर्टी, गांव में देयर इज पॉवर्टी, अर्बन पॉवर्टी इज वेरी हाई. खाली गांव में ही गरीब नहीं है, शहरों में भी बहुत गरीब हैं. There are high number of people facing poverty in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar और उत्तर प्रदेश. तो गरीब है, but they are there in the city, in the village. दोनों ही जगह ये गरीबी है. And poverty is very high in these states. तो अब please try to understand, these states need to take lessons from some other states जहाँ पे की poverty ratio is not that high. Okay, and there are less poverty country states also, like we have Kerala. Please understand, we have Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal states like Punjab and Haryana are also there. ठीक है, they have succeeded in reducing poverty. क्या किया इन्होंने, एग्रीकल्चरल ग्रोथ रेट्स आर हाई, काफ़ी अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट कर दिया इन एग्रीकल्चर. एंड केरला इज फोकसिंग ऑन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट. इफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग हैव डेवलप्ड, अगर द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स हैव डेवलप्ड, देन द कंट्रीज द स्टेट विल ऑल्सो डेवलप. वेस्ट बंगाल में रिफॉर्म मेजर्स आर देयर, जिसमें कि पॉवर्टी हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड. And in Andhra, what we are seeing is that public distribution of food grains, PDS, has improved. Just see, जो ration shops होते हैं, that is doing a very good job. We cannot discuss ourselves just for the states. सिर्फ states की poverty scenario is not enough. We need to understand that where are we standing in the global level also. पूरी दुनिया में हम कितने गरीब हैं? How poor are we? Our condition is really bad. Children, when we see the world scenario, there has been reduction in global poverty. Lot of regional differences are there. Poverty has declined in China and Southeast Asian countries, and rapid economic growth is there, and massive investment is there in human resource development. लेकिन just see कि reduction in global poverty, पूरी दुनिया में गरीब कम हो रहे हैं, but we are not giving a very positive result in India. इंडिया में भी होना चाहिए. The poverty scenario, the poverty ratio should come low. Number of poor people in China, it is coming down from 88.3% in 1981 to 14.7% in 2008. 0.6% in 2019. So we have South Asia, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, नेपाल. साउथ एशिया का यहाँ पे काउंट दिए. दिस इज द स्टेट पॉवर्टी रेशियो. पॉवर्टी रेशियो में स्टेट्स में देखिए सबसे कम गरीब लोग जो हैं दे आर देयर इन केरला. कोई भी भूखा नहीं मर रहा है. Nobody is dying out of hunger. This is something that we need to take a lesson from. सीखने वाली बात है. Okay, then we have largest is there in Bihar, Odisha. ये सारे states को learn करना चाहिए. These states should learn from Kerala, Andhra, पंजाब कि आखिर इन्होंने क्या किया कि इनके यहाँ पे पॉवर्टी रेशियो इतने अच्छे से कंट्रोल हो गया. दैट इज देयर. एंड वी कैन सी द ग्लोबल पॉवर्टी रेशियो. जस्ट सी वेयर आर वी स्टैंडिंग. वी आर स्टैंडिंग एट द 3rd पोजिशन जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा पॉवर्टी है. नाइजीरिया के बाद हमारा नंबर आ रहा है विच इज़ नॉट वेरी एनकरेजिंग. ओके. So this is there, children. Global poverty ratio we'll be discussing in the next class. Till then, thank you so much and all the best to you.